friends, I have the best buttery mashed potatoes, and oh my God, you're going to love them. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So we're gonna get started. First, I've diced up all of my potatoes and I've added in some salt. Now I'm adding in 3 cloves of garlic that I have chopped. I'm going to add in a little bit of chicken bouillon. This is optional, but I'm making some fried chicken, so look for that recipe as well. So anyway, I wanted the chicken flavor in there. So I'm going to cook that until they're knife tender. So I have about a half a cup of milk here. Well, half and half is what I'm using, but you can use milk as well. And I put in 6 tablespoons of butter. So here we go. This is what I mean by knife tender for your potatoes. So once I took the potatoes off and I strained it, I put it back on the stove for a little bit so that it could absorb the rest of the fluid that's in there, because the key to mashing mashed potatoes is to have them not a whole lot of fluid in there other than the milk and butter mixture that we're adding in there. I've added in some herb garlic butter. If you don't want to add that, that's optional too. You can just add more butter, or you can not add any at all and just go with the melted butter and milk that you're pouring in as you go. So you put a little bit in, you mash, and then you put a little bit more in and you'll see the potatoes start absorbing. So you don't want to go too far with your mashing because then it'll start getting pasty, but you do want to keep mashing until the texture is to your liking. So anyway, you also want to taste your mashed potatoes to make sure they are to your taste of salt and pepper. I've just added in some cream cheese. That's my little trick that to keep them creamy and rich and delicious. I add a little bit of cream cheese. If you don't want to add that, you don't have to, but I'm telling you, it's really delicious. You need to try it. So anyway, just keep mashing your mashed potatoes, taste them, make sure they have the right flavoring you want. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and a little bit more crushed black pepper to these mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna smash a little bit more because I think the texture is a little bit too chunky. So I'm gonna smash a little bit more, and then guess what? These are done. So if you have not given your girls a thumbs up, you need to give your girls a thumbs up because she's getting a workout right here on her arms with mashing these mashed potatoes. Anyway, you guys, these mashed potatoes turn out perfect every time. Every time. You have to make them. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you have not, subscribed if you have not. And here you go. Here is your mashed potatoes. They are so delicious. You could top them with some chives or some green onion or some salt and pepper, whatever you want to put on top of your mashed potatoes, you can. Anyway, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.